Insomnia basically means your pineal gland is compromised. Now, why would your pineal gland be compromised? It's compromised because you have mucus and acids affecting the function of it, okay? Which means that you have mucus in your head region. The mucus in your head region will affect your eyes, will affect your ears, your nose, your brain, okay, and the endocrine glands, including the pineal gland. So you want to make sure you drain the head of acids, so clean your sinuses. You want to use a neti pot for your nasal passage. You want to use ear candling for your ears and eye washes for your eyes. And massage your back of your head. Use neurological tincture, circulation tincture to push blood flow to the head region. Clean your bowels, very important. You can't drain acids out of your head region if you're constipated or you're congested lymphatically. You need to have good bowel movements. You need to get your kidneys working better and your lymphatic system moving to drain acids out of the head region and the guts. Very important you do so. But I would take pineal glandula for a month or two, 30 minutes before bed. It will help you. Also, on my website, I have something called the Good Night Sleep Tincture. I would use that 30 minutes before bed. You will sleep very well, okay?